all the brave souls who made great sacrifices to free the motherland from shackles of foreign rule. Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Baba Saheb Ambedkar helped India rediscover its democratic ethos. Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity have always been part of our civilizational heritage. We are also celebrating this year the 150th anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, who stands as a representative of our freedom fighters. The Constituent Assembly, which drafted our constitution, had representatives from all parts of India and from all communities. Most notably, it also had 15 women among its members at a time when women's equality was a distant ideal in rest of the world. The Constitution provides the ultimate foundation of our collective identity as Indians. Therefore, let us humbly express our gratitude to Dr. Ambedkar, who chaired the drafting committee, and other distinguished members of the Constituent Assembly who drafted the Constitution. Today, the Indian economy influences global economic trends. In recent years, we have redefined the notion of welfare, making basic necessities such as housing, drinking water, a matter of entitlement. Every effort is being made to extend a helping hand to the marginalized communities, particularly of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. The government has used technology in finance, digital payments, direct benefit transfer. It's made an excellent record in the Olympic Games. Our Paralympic athletes came back with their best performance ever. Our men and women won the gold at the FIDE Chess Championship. D. Gukesh became the youngest world chess champion. Our brothers and sisters living abroad, all of you, have taken the best of our culture and civilization to different parts of the world and made us proud with their achievements in दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सबको मेरी ओर से और भारतीय दूतावास की ओर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप सब लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर। भारतीय दूतावास हमेशा इंडियन कम्युनिटी की सेवा के लिए प्रयास करते हैं। वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली स्ट्राइविंग टू इम्प्रूव our connect and outreach to the Indian community and to provide all services in an efficient manner. I have traveled to several parts of Italy this year to meet the community in various towns and villages to promote India's economic opportunities and also to connect with the leadership in these places. And everywhere I have heard good things about the Indian community, which makes me proud. Prime Minister, External Affairs Minister and Commerce Minister visited Italy last year, and the embassy has worked with all of you to promote India in all respects, especially in organizing the Yoga Day, promoting Indian dance and music and films as well. We also organized consular camps in some cities of
अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था। कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे, मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।